Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, I used validation for form. If empty form, click in submit, we can see error title and slug and body is not null. Okay, for using error and see error before sending data, we can use validation. Laravel provides several different approaches to validate your application incoming data. By default, Laravel based controller class. I use it in web.php, and after say controller, what is controller, I use in controller class a validation request rate, which provides a convenient method to validate incoming HTTP request with a variety of powerful validation rule. Okay, I used this with this example. I in validation method using this $validator use method validator. Okay, use validator make. I import this wait to import make, and all data request I import class import eliminate validator and use make. Okay, use make request all, and we get all data and validate all data, and using this validator use title and slug and body. Okay, in this here I use required. Okay, use this and use required and use required. Okay, and refresh this page and use validate data. If you submit call undefined error invalidate. I import eliminate validate validator. We can use eliminate HTTP request. Use eliminate, and I use import method eliminate support facade and refresh this. See error column title cannot be null. Back, refresh, submit, and this error. Okay, continue, and I say that if use if for back data, use if $validator failed. We can see validator data $validator dd $validator. For example, refresh, continue, I see this. Okay, and if use dd $validator fail, return back, return and redirect and back and with error, with and error. Okay, close this and refresh back. Okay, submit, and with error, and because say 0%, we can use validator, and back, refresh, submit. It is to work and back this page, but I can't see any error. For using error, we can use in create and blade page. In top form, use this method. I say if and $error and any. Okay, use this method and if. Close the if and use div alert class for this class, and alert danger, and use ul for ulli, and for each $error, and use errors. $errors all, get all error, and as $error. And for each use li and use $error. Okay, if refresh and submit, we can see this error. The title field is required, the slug field is required, the body is field required. If complete title, new, and submit, the slug field is required. Okay, it is work. And if new and new, slug empty, the slug is field required. And new is complete all, submit, and it is work. Article new e, and we can use other method of validation. For example, we can use length in validate. For example, title minimum is 10 character, and refresh title EWW. The title must be at last 10 character, and we can use maximum character 50, refresh and submit. The title may not be greater than 50 character. For other open documentation, Laravel, and open documentation, and in the basic and validation. In validation, we can say see down for method. I use required. We can use numeric and other method in this. For example, phone number password, use password, phone number use numeric and number. We can use size, we can use URL. For link website we can use email, we can use other. For example, we can use email. If click, just say in required email. We can use this method simply and remove this line and just say just use this, remove this. Validator make, and in finish use validated and remove this line. Okay, if refresh this page and click in submit, we can see this error, and we can use just validate.